Hello, you awesome people. Today, we're doing the Moorland Champ. I have not recorded this champ in a while, so yeah, this should be really nice. Yeah, like usual, we're in our usual clothes. We got mail, but I'm saving it so that I can do a mail video. I know last video was cut up. Yeah, so that's Rose. Yeah, so this video is gonna get cut off too because I can't see the time. Yeah, hopefully, is it 6? Because I haven't eaten yet. 6. So this is the 6 o'clock one, not the 8 o'clock one, because I was like, I'm hungry. I don't think I've eaten dinner. So yeah, I can't look at chat, which sucks, but I would much rather like win than look at chat, because like that really messes you up, because when you pull it up you're ready to write it, and then when you click W you just write it, and it's kind of annoying. Okay, here it goes. This is an old champ. I hope we can at least place, because honestly Onyx Magic does really well in champs that are like for Star Riders, that only Star Riders can do, but he kind of doesn't really place or try in champs that Star Riders can't do, like Moor or Fort Pinta. Moor standing for Moorland. OMG, what's wrong with Mustangs these days? I really need to buy one, because like they're fast. Oh wow, yay, now I'm in second. I'm so happy that person's horse refused. That's so nice of them. I'm kidding, I'm not that mean, hopefully. Wow, they jumped the other one that was easier to not jump, and then they don't, I don't understand people on the game these days. Hopefully this person's horse is bad at jumping. That would be really nice of them, and that's a shortcut I learned, so that person is probably like astonished at what I've just pulled off. But that wasn't even the best I could have done. It's just the first time doing the shortcut, so yeah, I just kept it easy, and I ain't slowing down at this part, because that would be what a scaredy cat would do. Did you see those skills? Like, I full speed galloped those in a champ. Come on, get up! Why isn't it saying I'm in first yet? I swear, that person is behind me. Oh, well, anyways, so yeah, I've been collecting up my mail so that I can do a mail video, and yeah, so hopefully nobody gets really mad at me, because, like, I didn't look, but nobody will. Oh, I hated that when that first happened. Like, I was in first, and then I tried that shortcut because I was worried, and yeah, I kind of failed. Lesson! Don't try to go in between the fence and the light. But yeah, pretty soon we're gonna get our Canamera. I say pretty soon, but like realistically, we're gonna get it in a month and a half. Oh no, Rose always gets like really low scores. It's not insulting, like she can get high scores, but I kind of feel bad because sometimes I think she has troubles going through the obstacles. So yes, I know. What did Rose Epithon do? Oh, she's super happy. Me too. I'm happy. So yeah, second place, that's quite good. I kind of expected first, but like in the comments down below, oh, that person's a crybaby. Wow. In the comments down below, write evil Frisians and evil Mustangs, because like hashtag evil Frisians and evil Mustangs, because like they are my #1 competitor, because like I can't, oh, that person might need a club. Hey, oh, I can't. What's wrong with them? Do they see me? Do they see me? What? Whatever, she's non-Star Rider. Okay, no. I'm sorry, non-Star Rider. Anyways, so yeah, we're collecting that up for a mail video. The mail video is mostly just gonna be, writing back for stuff. So yeah, like, I mean, collecting champs things, but yeah, I don't even have any idea what I'm gonna do now. I'm not going back to practice dressage because that was getting old very fast. Maybe I'll go trail ride. That would be nice. Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna go places. I'm just gonna tell her quickly, Rose, quickly. Wait. Nope. Nope. Oh, look, it's Rose. Nice. Hi. Sorry, gotta go. Bye. How do I see that person's chat anyway? I got second. Now we're gonna do the heart because I just learned how. Wait. Whoops. That didn't work. I'm gonna go do so yeah, actually sure. So yeah, we're gonna do some jumping, I hope. I don't really know what I even feel like. Kinda want to log off, but not really. I just wish I had more money. That's what I want. Can we do jumping though? So yeah, this will cut off. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Ugh, that's the person who beat me. Who cares? Wait, is that the person?
What?
The pony person? Do they have a star? Dang it.
What? Did you take any steak knives? Oh yeah, I borrowed one.
What, is she really still on global?
How many missing? I only have one, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna head to the hall, and I am not gonna ever purchase the leading command. I'm totally joking. I'll purchase it in like a million years. Okay, fine. Maybe after I get my my pony. I need my pony. Okay, we're going to, where are we even going? Silverglade Manor. I wish I could get a Canamera before Wednesday, but I can't because like that would be impossible because I don't have enough star coins. So that's sad. Sad face. Where is the trailer taking you and our horse to? Great. Trailer took our horses places. Yay! Wait. What? So yeah, Rose, I know you watch my videos. That was not to like escape from you, but like I was just gonna go do quests, Rose, but then she offered to practice, and I kind of think she meant club practice. So yeah, don't take that offendingly, because it wasn't meant to offend you. I don't even think offendingly is even a thing, but who cares? Oh wait, is that her? Wait, I think I know that person. What? 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 Question mark? What? Hat exploding? That was sad. And already we're losing somebody. Like, people, I get we grew a bunch today, but like, wait, maybe that person's Watson. Hey, person, invite to group. Yay. Did Rose follow me here? Question mark. Yay, she's active. She's not AFK. Do you be in a club? I only ask this question to people who don't have a club, so yeah, you might not get to watch me going in there, but who cares? I guess y'all do. I wonder when Rose is gonna accept my invite. Rose! Other Rose. Oh no, I hope she doesn't. What? Where did she even go? Invite to group. I wonder if she's mad. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna start it because, like, yeah, I'm the club leader, so I can. Aw, dang it, Avenor. Oh, it's because I think she clicked leave or something. I don't really know. Maybe it's like, whoa, that did not count. Whoops. Yeet, I gotta catch up. No, like, legit, I really need to catch up. Up, 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 up! Oh, dang it. If I had just cut that corner slightly more, I could have beat them, but who cares? I'm in third. I've just passed Rose, number 1, or Rose East. By the way, I'm not going to call you Rose Epithon anymore, because I realized it's actually Rose East Hope, because I actually decided not to be lazy and read it. So yeah, your name is Rose East Hope, I think. Not that that needs to be your name if you don't want it to be. Dang it. How? I finished. That's it. I'm doing the first one. Because I can. Okay. Okay. I don't really know what happened with that other person. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yes. See you guys next time. Which might be in a million years, because if you don't subscribe right now, I'm not going to make a video until a million years has passed. So yeah, that's news.